Ouch. Workout got you feeling like a truck hit you? That's muscle soreness. It's totally normal. But how do you actually repair those muscles? Think of it like this. You micro-tear them while lifting. Then, protein steps in like tiny construction workers. They rebuild the fibers, making them stronger. Eat protein within an hour of working out. Sleep is crucial. Your body does most repair while resting. Hydrate. Water helps transport those building blocks. Don't overdo it. Give your muscles time to recover. So eat, sleep, hydrate, and recover smart. Please subscribe to 404.